There is a time before and after. There is a time before you know how snow feels, how the city sounds in the early morning. There is a time before you know how a wave looks from below. And then you jump, you dare, you try, and then you feel the pride, the happiness, the satisfaction. The feeling is overwhelming. You are part of something new. You are part of a new story. Feels electric, feels right, feels like your freedom, feels like something made only for you. Feels like the first time. Every time.
Hi everyone, welcome to the world premiere of the new all-electric EQA. Wherever you're watching, glad you could join us. My name is Marius and I'm the product manager for the EQA at Mercedes EQ. Here, we're in the heart of Munich at the Studio Odeonsplatz by Mercedes. Usually, you can experience the Mercedes-Benz brand here in a casual and relaxed environment. But today, it's serving an even cooler purpose. 2021 is starting off with a great first-time moment for us, the world premiere of the new EQA. To me, a first-time moment is an event that makes an emotional, lasting impression on your mind. Many iconic models made their mark in the history of our company when they have been launched for the first time. And today, we're about to make electric history with the all-new EQA. This is our new urban entry model to our progressive Mercedes EQ family. And who could better test the vehicle than three well-known social media personalities? We invited them to drive the car for the first time. Now let's see what they have to say.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you guys.
I'm Maya Jack.
I'm Benjamin Ortega.
And I'm Felix van der Laden, and we are really excited to try out the new EQA. So guys,
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. Ok, c'est parti pour un petit tour de EQA.
Also die klassische Form, aber eine ganz andere Front hier, die mir sehr gut gefällt. Hier unten dieser Lufteinlass, der ist dafür da, um einen sogenannten Air Curtain zu bilden, dass die Luft halt so ordentlich geleitet wird, um Turbulenzen der Räder zu vermeiden und man einen geringeren Luftwiderstand im Endeffekt hat, was sehr hilfreich ist, gerade bei Elektroautos, um die Reichweite zu erhöhen. Von hinten hat man dann echt eine sehr, sehr, sehr coole Optik. Und dieses Leuchtenband, ne? Echt ein sehr cooles Teil.
Et vous vraiment vous montrer les lignes de la voiture qui nous font faire un saut dans le futur. C'est une voiture électrique, du coup on n'a plus besoin de grille. Les lumières LED qui font tout l'avant. Ces petits détails là avec la lumière bleue, exceptionnel.
So I'm finally sitting here in the EQA and I'm looking forward to showing you how this whole thing works. I immediately put in my own profile and the car knows what to do next, how I want to sit, it sets up everything you could think of.
Die Batterie ist im Fahrzeug bodenpraktisch und dadurch ist der Schwerpunkt schön niedrig und man kann sehr sportlich fahren.
Oh my god, this is a pretty extreme curve here, but the handling is great.
La puissance de ce moteur électrique, c'est saut instantané dans le futur. On a l'impression d'être 10 ans en avance.
This car does not make any sound, so I guess I am in the future.
Es ist so angenehm leise, dass man sich eigentlich denkt, hey, wäre eigentlich schön, wenn man Musik anmachen würde. Und genau das mache ich jetzt auch hier. Are you ready?
Absolutely.
All right, let's go.
Let me show you. This is the navigation. Here on the left side, you can see the trip in blue and the charging stations I need to pass in order to get there.
Der sieht online direkt, welche Ladestation gerade verfügbar ist, also wo ein freier Spot ist, wo du hin kannst.
We can calculate the whole trip for you based on the topography, the weather conditions, the traffic.
Et ça, je trouve que c'est vraiment le futur. Et du coup, se laisser guider est complètement penser juste au plaisir de conduire.
Charging is actually super easy. Open it up, push that one into the socket, and if I want to pull it out, I can just click this button here, take the charger back, and continue with my trip.
Und da kann man auch nochmal auf den Innenraum eingehen. Was ich auf jeden Fall immer mega cool finde, sind Panoramadächer. Und das macht den Innenraum natürlich sehr hell. Wir haben jetzt natürlich auch noch das helle Leder haben wir hier. Das fässt sich alles gut an, sind schöne Materialien.
Il y a toutes sortes de fonctions comme ça qu'on peut faire directement avec la voix. On peut dire à Mercedes d'éteindre le heads-up display, on peut lui dire de nous diriger vers tel endroit, de choisir certaines musiques, vraiment toute l'assistance qu'on veut. So sick!
That was so much fun, right?
What a cool day, honestly.
This car is so good.
Yeah, and so quiet.
Yeah,
I loved the whole system. It was crazy.
It was really, really good. So
Yeah.
thank you for watching. This is the new Mercedes EQA. Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you guys!
Now, you have some first impressions of the EQA. So, what are the most important facts and features of the car? From my point of view, the EQA perfectly meets the demands for urban mobility. This model here, the EQA 250, offers more than 420 kilometers according to WLTP. And for those of you who want even more range, there will be a version available with more than 500 kilometers in the future. With 140 kilowatt on tap, the EQA delivers solid performance for a compact car and guarantees driving pleasure. To max that out, we will also offer 4x4 versions with more than 200 kilowatts soon. Thanks to intelligent technical solutions, the EQA offers a high standard of comfort. Just take the sophisticated thermal management system, for example. With a standard heat pump, it helps to maximize the range. It also allows for preconditioning before starting via MBUX or the Mercedes-Me app. But there is more. The electric drive has been decoupled from the chassis and bodywork. This means passengers hardly feel any vibrations from the electric motor. But what is as important as comfort in our digital world today? Right, convenience. And we offer this through a high level of digitalization. Starting the charging of your car with the fingertip is just one of many examples. And with our new green charging service, a feature of Mercedes-Me Charge, we compensate 100% with green power after the actual charging process at 175,000 charging points throughout Europe. Finally, design. It makes a bold statement in its appearance. On the outside, electro-aesthetic design represents progressive luxury. Take, for example, the light strips, both front and rear, which give the car an unmistakable look. Check out this beautiful back. On the inside, you get small but subtle hints of electric character throughout. And with the high and upright seating position, it's not only comfortable, but offers good all-around visibility. Now, what's your take? I personally think the EQA is the ideal access to urban electric mobility. And this is exactly what many of our customers are looking for. Am I right, Britta?
Yes, Marius, absolutely. Last year, every 10th Mercedes-Benz sold was a GLA or a GLB, showing how popular our compact SUVs are with our customers. With the EQA, you get it all: sustainability, versatility, and a fresh look. This is why I'm absolutely convinced that our customers and fans will truly love our first fully electric compact SUV. We are so proud that the EQA represents the electric future of our attractive compact car portfolio in every way. The EQA will go on sale in Europe on February 4th at very attractive price points in each market. In our online stores, you can basically order the EQA with the click of a mouse. I'd like to thank all of our customers for staying connected in these challenging times and showing so much interest in our electric vehicles. I'm excited that the EQA is kicking off the electric year at Mercedes-Benz. It's the first of several new electric models joining our Mercedes EQ portfolio in 2021. We are looking forward to showing you all our new models during this year's IAA. We hope that by then the situation allows us to meet here in wonderful Munich in September. Thank you all for watching the digital world premiere of the EQA, and thank you, Marius, for showing it to us.
It was a pleasure. Ladies and gentlemen, check out more information on Mercedes Me Media. Feel free to leave a comment too. Now, thank you and stay safe. Schönes Auto.